This video will be about the funnel editor. On the dashboard, you can see how the funnels are displayed here. It's possible to create a new funnel here, or to click on actions in an already existing funnel, and edit, rename, duplicate, or unpublish this funnel. Clicking on Create New Funnel or trying to edit an existing funnel will take you into the funnel editor. Keep in mind, a default funnel is created for you when you install the app. At least one funnel must be published or live in order for your customers to see upsell offers. Okay, now digging into the funnel editor. Creating a funnel simply means that you will customize the series of upsells and downsells that a particular customer or group of customers will see. This funnel editor lets you lay things out visually to make them easier to understand and customize. Let's review this starter funnel just as an example. So as you see here in the flowchart, once the order is completed, this will trigger, based on a certain set of customer characteristics, some upsell offers. We'll come back to these triggers in a moment, but for right now, assume that all customers will be triggered into the upsell funnel. The way this funnel is set up is that the first one-click upsell offer is provided. If the customer accepts that, it will then provide a second offer, which can be distinct from the first offer. And if they accept that, it would take them to a thank you page, which could or could not include yet another upsell or bundling offer. If they turn down that second upsell offer, they will then be sent to potentially a different thank you page from the first one. These can be the same or these can be different, that's up to you. Had the customer declined the first upsell, we have it set up here so they would be seeing a downsell offer. Depending on whether they accept or decline that, we send them to different thank you pages. Once again, these thank you pages can be same as previous thank you pages or distinct from each other and can include different bundling or upsell offers on them. Keep in mind, the logic does not have to look like this. You don't have to offer 2 or 3 stages of upsells. You can make this as compact as you would like. Simply click the trash button to delete various stages if desired. Now let's dig into the various boxes in this flowchart. As I mentioned, once the order is completed, the triggers will control which set of customers then see an upsell offer. Clicking on the edit button here, we see right now that the trigger is chosen so that all orders will see the upsell. It is possible to control the customer segments that actually get an upsell offer by customizing this. Unchecking the All Orders button, you see that we can now create conditions that will segment the customer base and decide who gets to see the upsell offers. For example, we can choose customers based on whether they accept marketing, the number of orders, their names, their locations, or the amount of time that has passed since their last order, or the total items bought. It's possible to create even more stringent conditions by using the AND or conditions. For now, let's just assume we want all customers to see the upsell offers. Next, digging into this box representing the first one-click upsell offer, we see here that we have the name of the offer, we have the edit button, the preview button, and the delete button. So for now, we'll click on edit. Once you're in the edit dialog box, you see a preview of what the one-click upsell offer will look like shown on the right. On the left, you have the options to customize that upsell. Here you see the name of the order. You can select which product will be shown for upsell. For example, the most expensive product in your store, or a specific collection, or a specific product. It's also possible to select the discount options. For example, please offer 10% discount as part of this upsell. Naturally, things like timers are also included. There will be a more comprehensive video on the details of all these options on the left-hand side, but for now, this gives you a general idea of where to come to customize your upsell offer. In the same manner, you can then customize further one-click offers in this funnel logic. For example, this box and this box. What is a little different is when you want to customize the end points of the funnel, that is, the thank you pages. If you've noticed, most of the logical branches of this funnel terminate in a thank you page. Clicking Edit in the thank you page box, we see a similar dialog box for modifying the thank you pages, but the options are different from that of the one-click upsells. Shown on the right is a preview of the thank you page. There's two panels, the left panel and the right panel. Each of those panels is customizable based on these buttons here. Let's say we want to modify the left side. We click on the left side, and then we can change the product recommendations, social sharing, or add other sections here, such as product recommendations, product upsells, custom HTML, etc. Once you're done customizing the left side, click on this button here to go back to the menu that lets you choose the side. Clicking right side, you have the opportunity to customize the right side panel. As always, the preview is shown on the right hand side, so you can see exactly what your customers will see. You can also click on the live preview button here to view that preview. In a nutshell, that concludes our funnel overview. Of course, once you're done setting up your funnel, you need to click Save and then publish the funnel in order for it to go live. If you're not ready to go live but want to save your changes, of course, just hit Save but do not hit Publish.